Today we're going to walk around the new Durango Gold 383. It's a version of our old 384 with an entrance in the slide. We've changed some things on the inside, made it much more user-friendly. A great coach for a customer that's looking to full-time. So we're going to work our way around it, end up in the bedroom, show you some of the new features inside here. Some new stuff on the inside, first off for the fall of 2021. We've got some new flooring. We've gone to some new colors. The interior here, this is a height bed across the back, large storage across here. All, as with all golds, we do have dual versions of the day-night shades. We also do have large windows across the back. 50-inch fireplace, or 50-inch TV and a 40-inch fireplace are standard on this coach, with storage up above it, storage behind. You also do have a stereo system with speakers that can run off Bluetooth and or off the system and run a DVD player through it there. So real nice features in that side there. Also in the back that is new for us for 2021 is the new ceiling fan, which we've added into there. A couple years ago we went to 7-foot ceiling heights in our slide, which really opens up things. We lost the fans. We have now reintroduced it back in there, and the ceiling fans, a lot of customers were asking for it, and it's really worked out well. On this side over here on the door side slide, theater seats are standard. You see the pop-up here. You get USB ports, 110. These also are powered up and powered down. Really nice features. All golds will have them in your theater seats in there. Also new for us this year, no longer have any carpet when you walk in the door. So all of them have a woven vinyl over top, which is a nice pad in there, but everything is now carpet free across there, especially in the slide rooms. As we work our way down on the door side slide, we get the kitchen table here. You get 2 chairs plus 2 folding chairs that look just identical to that. You also do have a leaf. This has got a new edge on them, really a nice residential style kitchen table in there. Like I said, does include a leaf there. Nice island inside here, single bowl sink is standard. We do have 2 sink covers that go on top, which are like a hard surface material. Nice faucet in there. Really nice big kitchen work area space. As we work our way into the kitchen area, nice kitchen cabinets inside here. Nice counter space. We do have subway tile across the back as your tile splash there. We also do have a convection microwave, which is standard, 30-inch. And we also have gone to the new Insignia oven here. 4-burner range, large oven inside here, very much like a house or apartment. Also, we do have nice storage in here, and these are all pull-outs in here, you can see, and then all golds have gone to soft close doors. And then also in the island side of it, we have drawers on this side here. As with all Durangos, they're all soft close drawers too. And also part of the island is the dishwasher, which is right here. Very much like an apartment style dishwasher. That is also standard on all Durango Golds. As we continue to work our way through the kitchen, you'll notice the big large 18 cubic foot gas electric refrigerator. That is standard. So you got lots of space, 4 doors inside here, so you do have lots of room for a lot of different items. Again, that is standard. We also do have the option for the residential 18 cube, which is which is a residential, which has the water and ice in the door. So that is a nice feature too. So you can go residential or you can go gas electric, both are 18 cube. As we work our way along the side here, behind me, really nice large pantry. Lots of shelves, lots of areas to put things. Does have central vac, which is down here, your tube central vac system. All that stuff is located in that area, but a ton of storage area in that big large pantry. And then next to that, which is one of the cool features of this floor plan, because of the entrance in the door allows us to do this. This is where your washer dryer prep / cloak closet is. It's got the additional chairs for the table and chairs in there now, but you got that. So you can put multiple things in there hanging wise, and or you can put a stackable washer and dryer inside. One last thing when we're doing in this kitchen area, we also have a nice pull-out trash can. We try to do this on all gold brands. and actually try to do it in all Durango stuff, but in the nice gold one here, real deep, nice area here, right next to the kitchen, right next to the stove. As we enter the bathroom, some new cool changes in here. We took this bathroom and had a single sink into it. Now we've gone to double sinks, big mirrors, very much residential style. Big walk-in shower, one-piece fiberglass, nice tile looking across the back, skylight above it just like on all our stuff. Triple paned glass that slides across for your door. You do have nice storage inside of here. So you do still have really large storage in there. So nice linen closet inside here, along with a porcelain toilet. And as we work our way into the bedroom area, which is a double entrance, which is really a nice feature, we get in here. Our king bed is standard, and it's a king bed slide. And this also is the powered, so you got the tilt. We're showing it in the tilt position today. So it's tilted up, watch TV. You can sleep elevated, which will help a lot of people because they have snoring issues or CPAP machines, stuff like that. We do have shelves on both sides. We also do have plugs on both sides and USB port on one side so people can plug in, charge their phones, plug in their CPAP machines, all that stuff. And you do have nice storage on this side here. Like I said, double entrance into our bathroom, so you do have that side. And also new this year, we've added the dresser slide on this side here, which really opens up this inside. So fireplace is standard, lots of drawers inside here along the side. Really nice area in here for the dresser, for putting makeup, stuff like that if you wanted to. Nice window inside, nice little TV up here, which is standard, and also your bookshelves on the top part there. So some really cool features in that regard. As we work our way to the front area for storage, you see I pulled this open here. We have really nice front closets. Double hangers on this side, really nice extra depth. Again, because of moving that washer dryer down to the main level, it allows us to give lots of additional space. You see everything there? As I go to this side and show, this is the other side here, so nice hangings there. We also do have a shoe rack on the side here. So again, real deep, real nice area, so a ton of hanging space. Really can accommodate somebody that wanted to full-time live, take long weekends, take months away, that type of situation. Lots of storage space in there. Also, one last new feature that we did add to the bedroom area. Like I said, we have the electric bed, which is great. Allows me to go there. We also did listen, and we did add storage drawers, 3 of them underneath the bed. So it gives me a lot more additional storage space for socks, for t-shirts, that kind of situation underneath the bed. So lots of nice storage.